Today's topic is superstition. A superstition is something that there's no science to, but you kind of believe it. So, for an example, a long time ago when you sneezed, people thought you would sneeze your soul. And they thought, well, your soul was outside of your body, the devil would come and take over your body, which is why when you sneeze, someone says, bless you. Is the devil really going to take over your body? Probably not, but it's a superstition. Same with if you spill salt. You're supposed to throw some over your shoulder, or don't walk under ladders. Do you have any superstitions? I'd love to hear about them. Tell me.